All right, guys, so welcome back to this video here with us. Here at Total Brands, we wanted to make sure that we illustrated each step of the process for potential customers to have a better idea and determination of what we do and how we can help them. So the first video that you guys saw illustrates everything that you need to be able to get started with funding, liquidity, especially during these uncertain times with COVID, to be able to propel some money and liquidity into your business, and then be able to fuel back some of that budget into advertising and marketing in a digital perspective to be able to increase your customers and your sales, and having an automated process in between. Now that we have illustrated those two videos for you, this final video is going to be discussing how we can help your business advertise online and give you clarity as to how we put together systems that are going to help your business get in front of your dream customer online, right? So everyone has a dream customer, an ideal customer they want to target, an ideal avatar. If you haven't done that yet, then one thing that we do in an initial consultation is help position who that person looks like. Then the idea is to be able to put together, structure out avenues and pathways to help get you in front of wherever they may be congregating. Once you know who they are, we can find them and then get in front of them with a message that gets them to take action into your funnels, into your marketing, into your processes, which we all help you with as well. So there are three major categories that we help our clients with online advertising. We're not talking here about billboards, bus stop ads, newspaper ads, TV ads, or anything like that. Here we're doing very strategic, targeted advertising, right? This is where we get in front of people where everyone is congregating, either online, on their computers, on social media, on YouTube, wherever they're absorbing information that your service or product can help solve for them, right? So an example, if you're a dentist, then people might be looking for you online on Google. They might be looking at reviews. They might be looking at where your location is versus where they're located. And once they're actually able to find your business needs to speak to them. What does the review say? What does the website say? What does your messaging say on your content and everything that you're putting together for material? These are the things that are going to help position you over your competitors. All things that we help you here at Total Brands. So let's dive a little bit deeper into how all this works, right? So the first thing is working on your brand, right? If you're a business, you have to treat it as such, right? We have to treat it as a brand. We have to be able to target what our business model is, who are we serving, and then what is it that we're going to illustrate for our dream customers, right? Our ideal customers. In this case, I'm going to illustrate you some different options, okay, of which each one is under its own bracket. So here, for example, under brand, this is what people see or say about your business and what it can be found about your business. So this will all start with a Google My Business account, your social media profiles, making sure you're active and you have content in each one, and then making sure you have an optimized website and or an e-commerce store or a checkout process or a virtual process where people can see your products, be able to engage with your business and potentially buy from you as well. So this can also include applications, right? Mobile apps. They can include CRMs or customer relations managers, or software that can help facilitate the process from your customers trying to do business with you, right? So if you're just either if you're selling a product or you're selling a service, how can you make the process more streamlined for you to connect with your customers and for your customers to be able to pay you for your services or your products, whether it's a mobile app, a platform, a software, anything as far as technology, we help you with to put all that together for your business. Right now for doctors, for example, we're helping a lot with teledoc systems and be able to position a digital interface to be able for them to connect with your patients, right? So that's one example of how things are evolving with COVID, right? And one thing that we do through software and through applications as well. So how complex we want to do it, it depends on your business, right? Now, we also have to set up some automation in place that will enable for you to connect with your customers consistently, right? So as you may know with sales, you have to have multiple touches to be able to get a customer to eventually take action. You can't expect them to do it on the first run, right? So what we do is we put together a series of email, text, and even calls or ringless voicemail systems where we help you hit your customer multiple times to be able to get them to take the action that you want them to, whether it is to buy your service, buy your product, subscribe to your channel, or even join your email list. Whatever that call to action is, we help you with that. And it's all done through automation. We have systems in place that help facilitate the process and be able to even incorporate what kind of segments of emails, texts, and even calls or ringless voicemails are done for your potential clients. We also help you with reputation, making sure that you have positive reviews on Google, on Facebook, on major platforms and interfaces that people are looking for to search for reviews. What are other customers saying about your business? That is crucial right now. Right now, I think for every star rating difference, there's a 6 to 9% difference in sales between the customers that have five-star reviews and those that have 4-star reviews. And it's sequential for each one under that as well. So reviews are only getting more and more important. So you want to be able to have a focus and a process dedicated to getting more reviews. And we are able to do this for you through our automated processes and our systems that you can have access to so that you can start funneling in your previous customers, your new customers to start leaving you reviews. And that starts building up over time and helps build up your reputation online. So this all are things that fall under the brand category. What about the other two? How can you get customers right now? Right now is when you need customers, right? There are tactics and strategies that we do to get you customers now in the short term, but we also have to work with customers in the long term. And we have a strategy that works in the short term and a strategy that works in the long term for your business. So for example, here in Customers Now, we leverage a huge portion of it to being able to do paid advertising to get in front of your customers. So we use social media such as Facebook and Instagram, not to be confused with content marketing. Content marketing is where you're actually posting and trying to do consistent posting online to be able to get in front of your customers and build up your brand that way. Here, we're actually generating paid ads to a targeted audience. And here's where we start allocating ad spend budgets to be able to have ads in place that are targeting the people that you want to get in front of. Once you're able to find out who is your dream customer, your ideal customer, where are they congregating, now we put together a strategy to get in front of them through Facebook, through Instagram, through Google, through YouTube ads. These are all components that we help put together for you. Now, as far as the content marketing, that's a short-term and a long-term strategy because you have to start building that up in the short term, and it will also benefit you in the long term as well, which is why I included it as a long-term strategy. A lot of people have the misinterpretation that putting posts on social media is paid advertising, and it's not. This is where we actually pay Facebook, we pay Google, we pay for the YouTube ads to be able to get in front of people that are watching certain videos, so they're absorbing certain content. Facebook collects a lot of information from its users, so we use that to be able to get in front of that ideal avatar that we're trying to target for your business. And it's something that we do in ours as well. So for video marketing, we help position the right pieces of marketing material to get in front of these channels. Now, there's two stages to this. There's the video marketing and the video production. In some cases, video marketing is where we do a lot of creative and graphic design to be able to get attention for your customers, right? We have a lot of different components and moving pieces that help trigger videos that are either informative or they're actually helping you to take a certain action. We help put that together for you. Video production is where we actually get videographers and an actual film crew to go to your business and film you as that attractive character for your brand or for your business to be able to either have a YouTube ad or being able to repurpose a lot of those videos into the other platforms as well. So here's where it gets really interesting because this is where you actually get in front of your competition when you have professional videos and videographers coming to your place of business and either interviewing you or getting to know your business a little bit better And we have 2 different packages for that we can help your business with as well. So that leads me to the last section, customers later. This is where we work on a long-term strategy that's going to benefit your business in the long term. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is where you appear on the search engines organically. Now you don't have to pay Google to be able to get search results on the platform. This takes time to put together. So it's why it's not a customers now strategy. But SEO is very effective. It's not going anywhere. If anything, it's getting even better. It's, the fact that you're able to search and be found on search engines like Google when people are searching for your business industry in a certain geographical area. For example, I'm looking for a dentist in area code 33137. Then I want to make sure that only dentists within that 33137 appear. So if you're appearing organically on Google, you're going to see in the middle of the Google search, you're going to start seeing some websites in the first page of Google. Guess what? Those businesses are already ranking and are considered accurate businesses and optimal businesses for the search term that you're using. So this is a strategy that we help you with to make sure that you're appearing for keywords that people are searching for, and make sure you're appearing on Google without having to pay for the click the way you would here. So here's an organic approach that takes time to put together, but we help you with that as well, and we make sure that we get you results in the short term and long term as well. We also want to make sure that we're positioning your all these different structures along with content marketing consistently, guys. Like, this is something that you have to be doing ongoing. So when you have your optimized website or store, you have your automations in place with email, text, even calls in your business to get in front of your customer, being able to increase the amount of touches that's going to incorporate into more sales, and then making sure that you can actually have a positive reputation online. You start triggering a lot of the video and being able to repurpose content on social media and on Google and on YouTube. Then you start incorporating a long-term strategy, which is amplifying this for the long term, making sure you have everything in the components needed on a month-to-month basis that include a search engine optimization. Once you have an optimized website, then you can start working on your SEO, work on your content consistently. We help guide and consult your business to make sure that you're building the right material to help your business propel forward. Once you know who your customer is, you know where they're congregating, you know what you need to tell them, and you know how you're going to serve them, which is what we help to do here within our major components. So make sure that if you have any questions, the first step would be to either click on the link below, or if not, you can reach us at our website at totalbrandsgroup.com/consultation call. And we'll make sure that we're able to get you in front of one of our agents that will be able to get in touch with you, be able to get in front of your business, get to know you a little bit better, build an advertising action plan that includes some or all of these components depending on what your business may need, and then a plan to help get you into the action steps, okay? So hopefully this helps put together some perspective for you and for your business. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. See you in the near future. Thanks.